Hey Nerdfighters! Today we're diving into the digital world of website builders. Specifically, we're looking at two heavyweights, Wix and GoDaddy. Wix is known for its user-friendly interface and drag-and-drop editor. It's like the Lego of website builders. GoDaddy, on the other hand, is more like a Swiss Army knife. It offers a range of tools beyond just website building, including domain registration and hosting services. Both platforms cater to beginners and pros alike. In this comparison, we'll break down the key aspects of both platforms. We'll look at ease of use, features, pricing, and support. So, grab your favorite caffeinated beverage, and let's dive into the world of website builders. When it comes to ease of use, Wix and GoDaddy take different approaches. Wix is all about the drag and drop. You can literally drag elements around your page and drop them where you want. This makes it super intuitive, even for complete beginners. GoDaddy, while also user-friendly, follows a more traditional website builder model. It uses templates and a grid-based system. This means you have a bit more structure to work with. Both platforms offer templates to get you started. Wix boasts over 500 templates, while GoDaddy has around 100. Whether you're building a portfolio, an online store, or a blog, you'll find something that fits. Wix gives you more flexibility to place elements wherever you want. GoDaddy's approach is more structured, which can help prevent design mistakes. It might limit you a bit, but it also keeps you from falling over. When it comes to features, both Wix and GoDaddy pack a punch. Let's start with Wix. It offers everything from blogging tools to e-commerce capabilities. You can even add custom forms, video backgrounds, and animations. GoDaddy, while also feature-rich, focuses more on business-oriented tools. It offers strong e-commerce features, appointment scheduling, and email marketing tools. GoDaddy also provides domain registration and hosting services, which can be convenient if you want everything under one roof. Both platforms offer app marketplaces. Wix's app market has over 250 apps, while GoDaddy's marketplace has fewer, but still covers most needs. These apps can add extra functionality to your site, like social media integration or advanced analytics. One unique feature of Wix is Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence. GoDaddy offers a unique feature called GoDaddy Insight. It's like having a digital marketing coach in your pocket. Section 4. Pricing and plans. Comparing costs and value. When it comes to pricing, both Wix and GoDaddy offer a range of plans to suit different needs and budgets. Wix offers a free plan, which is great for trying out the platform. However, it comes with Wix branding and limited features. Their paid plans start at around $14 per month and go up to $49 per month for their business plans. GoDaddy, on the other hand, doesn't offer a free plan. Their prices start at about $6.99 per month for the basic plan and go up to $29.99 per month for their e-commerce plan. Both platforms offer good value for money, but in different ways. Wix tends to offer more features at each price point, especially when it comes to design flexibility. GoDaddy's plans, while more limited in some ways, include domain registration and email hosting. This can save you money if you need these services. It's like getting fries and a drink included with your burger. Choose based on what fits your needs best. Section 5. Customer support and Wix statistics. Help when you need it. When it comes to customer support, both Wix and GoDaddy have got your back. Wix offers 24/7 support through their help center, which includes articles, video tutorials, and a forum. They also provide phone and email support, though these are not available 24/7 for all plans. GoDaddy, true to its business-oriented approach, offers 24/7 phone support for all plans. They also have a comprehensive help center and live chat support. Both platforms also offer extensive knowledge bases, so you can often find answers to your questions without needing to contact support directly. Wix has been growing rapidly in recent years. As of 2021, Wix had over 200 million registered users worldwide. Their growth rate is impressive, with an average of 45,000 new users signing up every day. These stats show that Wix is a popular and trusted platform, but remember, popularity doesn't always mean it's the best choice for everyone.